Hi guys, James13 here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a couple of things. First, a little update. The reason I upload for a week is because I got sick. Well, first I went a week-long vacation to Minnesota, and I am back. But as soon as I got back, I got sick. So I was sick for a week, and I have a little cough still. But yeah. When I was up at Minnesota, I got some things. First of all, I went to the Dale with Thomas and got a bunch of pretty neat wooden trains and some other stuff. But it was really fun. I had to ride on a Thomas and a Percy, which I had been to another Dale with Thomas before, but there was only a Thomas there. So yeah. I'll show you the new items that I got from the Dale with Thomas. These are all the new items I got. Also, 8 minis I didn't have. I'll look at the minis first. I was gonna pause the recording so I can open this box. Alright, I got the box open. I'll start with this one here. Here's Victor. I think this is Glow. Like Glow Victor or something like that. Just trying to get its focus. Yeah. Yeah. So, there's Victor. Just gonna move Jack out of the way. Next is Zebra Thomas. So, looks really cool. So, yeah. Next up here is Unicorn Rosie. Yeah. I'll show you the best ones for last. Here's a school bus Salty. Then we have a threefer. Not one, not two, but 3 Golden Thomases. The other day I was talking they had like this tiny mini area, and there was like 10,000 of these. And I can never find the thing that you put the minis in at stores because I wasn't able to buy it at the time. I was out. I mean, stopped selling it, so I couldn't find any. And I got 3 because this box you can get 8, but there were some others, but I already had those. There was a classic Thomas, yeah, and a couple of others that I already had. Sorry, as I had to cough, so I paused the recording. Yeah, but I got 3 Golden Thomases. I'll bring this one up so you can see it better in the light. I love this. This looks really cool. And I got 3 of them. Then finally, one I know nothing about. This was at the Dale with Thomas, but I'd never seen this one before. It says something on the top. It says, I can't read what it says on the top of the cab. It's too hard to read. But I've never seen this type of Thomas before. It's like a metallic blue and it has flags. And I've never seen this before. So if anyone knows any info about this mini, go to the comments and tell me. Because I know nothing about this. I tried researching it, but it didn't show up at all. Maybe it's rare. It's a newer mini because it doesn't have the name on the bottom. But yeah, that's the new mini that I got. Just move these Golden Thomases to the side. Alright, now to the wooden engines. Push this box out of the way. Sorry, I did cough again. I'll start with these two non-Thomas engines. Here's this small one. It's just a small black tank engine with wooden wheels that don't move that go along the track. And on this side, it's playing on this side. Yeah. That's where I went and got all this stuff, and that's where the Datwood Thomas event was. So, you guys know where Datwood Thomas is. Yeah, and this is in Minnesota. Don't remember the name of the town I stayed in at the time when I went there. But yeah, I'll go to this one next. Just put this one over here. Now, if you know something about the screen engine, which I'll show you here, it's very similar to another engine I own. Bert. If you look, they're very similar. Just this one has a longer nose on the front, taller funnel, where mine just broke. This zone's lower, and their fireboxes are different. His looks more like Gordon's, and his looks like Henry's or James's. But you're thinking, oh, if I could turn this into right, you turn this one to right so you can have the whole trio. Because if you didn't know, which would probably be hard, I have a mic also. But no, I'm not gonna make it right side of this. I'm gonna turn this into another character. Who, yeah, multiple there exists in there, this exact color, well not the exact shade, but yeah. But just think 060 and think about Wilbur the Force engine. Alright, Wilbur, you can go back over here with Joey. Next are the Thomas Wood engines. I got 4, well technically 5. I'm gonna be showing them individually. I'll go with the one I got first. The first one I got was Dynamite Ryan and Dynamite Scruffy. I'll just move these two out of the way. I'll show you Ryan first. Here he is. Also, there's actually a factory error on mine. You see this side? Actually, wait. It's his cab window here may be a factory error, possibly, because it looks a little weird. But you can mainly notice on this side. Look. His stickers are, like, the print-ons, they're crooked. On this side. So that's a factory error. And any YouTuber can put that in his own video. I'll just give a clear shot of it for their video. Yeah. Very good. So yeah, just in case, yeah. You never know. Here's one. This is Dynamite Ryan. His face. The only reason I bought this because I could never find wooden versions. Really not much. I got lucky with James. Yeah. But I could never find Thomas Wooden Railway because they stopped making it in 2017, which I think is stupid. That's a couple of their Thomas Wooden engines that are good. Which one I might have in my collection now. But the main attraction here is Scruffy. And he's fully made out of plastic. Even his chassis is. everything on this is made out of plastic. Here's his face. And something between this one and the wooden railway, the mouth, that black ain't there, it's white. And also it's a lighter shade, which, yeah. And I'm just gonna show you the dynamite. The dynamite's a little different. And the wooden railway, the Thomas wooden railway one. There's that. Just looking at it. And you guys didn't know, there's a small button on the side here. And if I press that button, the dynamite pops out. That's gonna be real fun to have my series. Yes, no Scorpios get into my series now. I'll have cutscenes by remakes now. Yeah, I don't do remakes that much. I really don't. Let's Escape, which is kind of my version, but early series and TV series. Sorry, guys. The next one it will show is DBS. He caused an engine to get sent away. It's Diesel. Yes, I now have a Diesel. Because previously I used a push along, which had like silver paint. But now he will have those special abilities they had during my movie. Sorry. But he has some pretty good details. He has the vents and stuff, and his ladders. There's the top, back, it's just plain. The bottom, and also on the bottom of the scrubber here, just says a C-Ruppy. That would say Dynamite scrubber or something. But what people mostly don't like about this is the face. It's loosely based off the CGI. But it's not like on my push long version, so yeah. I was pretending he's mad because most of the judges can't change their faces unless they're mutated. And the last two are Emily and Rebecca. I'll take a look at Emily first. Sorry, guys. I'll start with her tender. Her tender's just a block, like usual. Actually, Emily, I purchased first, and then went back to get Rebecca. Actually, I have a funny story with this Ryan. I'm just gonna buy him, but I was running out of time because I had to get into my turn for Percy or Thomas. I think it was Thomas. And so I didn't buy the Ryan, and when I came back, there wasn't a Ryan because someone had purchased the one that I saw. And then I had bought the Diesel, I think, and then went back to check because I saw some other entries that I had want, and then saw this Ryan. And I bought these two at the same time, so yeah. Alright, well, let's go back to Emily's Tender. Emily. It has details like the squares, focus, the handrail, the thing that represents what she has on the top of her tender, but it's lazy. There's her coal, green outline, which I don't like, in the water cap. Now, the front of Emily. I actually really like this one. I never had a wooden row Emily before, so I don't know what to expect really. Well, I haven't had a round or a Scruffy either. I've only had Trackmaster / Tommy Scruffies. And I have a Tommy Emily somewhere. Yeah, try. Alright, back on topic. Well, she has the big middle wheel. her cab, which feels really blocky, and her boiler and her arch feel really blocky, and her smoke box, and here's your face. I actually really like the face on this one. I like this one. Emily. Yeah. And she runs really good along the track. Here's your diesel. And he rolled really smoothly. Alright, time for the next engine. Rebecca. Rebecca, you went a little too far. Oh, sorry. Well, here's Rebecca. I'll start with the tender. It's just the normal block. That's it. Cool. It didn't outline it with green this time, which is good. Top for wire cap. Yeah. The bottom. And Rebecca. Here. Her cab. Number 22. Her name. Something I don't like about this one, that the front here it's plastic and it's a slightly different shade yellow. This looks like a banana on the inside, and this looks like actual Rebecca yellow. The face ain't the best. The only part I don't like is that smile. But yeah. And there wasn't the other, but I didn't like. Wait, no. Actually, I didn't get these two at the day out with Thomas. I got them at a toy store. I actually went to Mall of America while I was there. I went to a toy store, and that's where I got these two. I could either have Hero and I think Victor. I chose these two, so I can complete the Steam team in a way, because there's no way I could find Winner and Emily, and well, this is the only way to have a Rebecca without making a custom or using Trackmaster or Trackmaster Push Along, which I don't use. Well, besides sometimes. So yeah. Alright, well that's all. Alright, come on guys, let's get together for the intro. Sorry if you guys heard that, I don't know if you did or not. Sorry if I yell. My parents, well, someone in my house just yelled about something. So sorry if you guys heard that. And just a reminder, if you have any info about this Thomas, just tell me in the comment section below. Do the outro first. Subscribe to James 13, Google guy. Trying to get to 70 subscribers. He's at 62 right now. So yeah. Subscribe because he's a really cool guy. Well, that's all. Transplant red engine. Doop doop. Hey, red engine. Doop doop. That's our James. Doop doop doo doo. That's our James. Oh James, oh James. What Diesel? Look what I got. But wait. Ah. James, you will pay. Ah. Ow. That is not the right way, Diesel. And you will pay for sending me to the smelters. Goodbye. The deed has been done. Good, James. Yeah, of course, just pulling back onto the rails. Alright. Scruffy, you will pay too. What? I didn't do anything. It was Diesel. Be gone. Bye, guys. I need to deal with Diesel. Come here, Diesel.